Everyone, welcome to my vlog. Look at the road. It's flooded. Look there is no water in the road. You see, it's flooded because it's raining the whole day. See, the road is flooded. There is water. Anyway, I just want to buy soft drinks. See, there is muddy puddle in the road. Anyway, guys, I just need to buy drinks for dinner. Sprite and Coke. No Sprite and Coke. Why the Sprite is different? Special offer. Huh? Why this difference? This is different. Mint lemon. Aba ka ito? Masarap. No? How much?
Well,
How are you? How was your holiday and Eid?
Alhamdulillah, it is good, very nice. Hello? Islam? Pardon, is where you? شوية ممكن عشان
Thank you.
شوية عشان
Look at the road. I show you the this flood is you see the water in the road. There flooded the because it's raining the whole day and there is no drainage here. That's why the water until now is not dry. Oh, see? Oh. The water is stuck in the road. Not dry. Anyway, guys. See? Road. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Woo.